fix not delivered messages or text? Are you having trouble sending messages and all of your messages showing not delivered status? So the first thing to fix this issue is you need to first stop the message application and relaunch it. So first stopping is the simplest feature that you need to do in order to fix all glitches. For that you can go to settings of your device. From here you can scroll down and select apps. Tap on app management and now search messages. Open it. As you reach on this app info page of messages, tap on force stop and relaunch the message application. So this will definitely fix your not delivered messages or text. Or the next way you can solve is if you are sending messages over Wi-Fi, then make sure to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then you might be having this issue of not delivering messages or text. So you need to be aware of your internet connection. So that's how we easily fix not delivered messages or text. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.